So you all ready for Christmas? December is here tomorrow and we've got a really good fun one for you. We are doing the 12 days of Christmas with a different kitchen gadget recipe for each of the 12 days, and you also have the chance to win your Christmas dinner as well as grab our turkey recipe that's going to be in our new cookbook, the multicooker cookbook. It's going to be really exciting. I'm really looking forward to all these delicious Christmas recipes we're going to share with you. And also, if you head over to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/turkey giveaway, you can get full details of not only getting this free turkey recipe, but also of us treating you to your Christmas dinner lunch. So make sure you're following along from tomorrow because it's going to be great fun. Complete multi-cooker cookbook featuring all your favourite recipes, including chicken pie or risotto, soup, sponge pudding of course. And there is 125 delicious everyday recipes in here that you're just going to absolutely love. And then if you pop over to the back cover, you can see even more delicious recipes that are included, including our favourite Spanish potato casserole. We've got some nice vegetables going on. We've got lasagna in there. We've got granola and homemade yoghurt. And then of course the best one of them all, teaching you how to do pork with crackling, and we've got many tips and tricks for using the probes. And of course, remember, all our cookbooks come with both metric and imperial measurements, and this is going to be the first multi-cooker cookbook that's traditionally published, so we're really pleased that they've chosen us to do this with. It's going to be an absolute honour to bring it to you. So don't forget to head over to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/books and pre-order yourself a copy.